guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some elegant glam home decor items. So what you're going to need, you'll need some of these icy gems. They are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need one of these round fishbowl vases or mini candle holders. You're also going to need one of these glass decanters from Dollar Tree. You'll need 2 packs of the round tea light holders. If you can't find round tea light holders, you could use any shape they have in stock, or you could use some thrifted tea light holders as well. I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project. But if you like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I use any additional items, I will have those linked in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these elegant glam home decor items turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.